Okay, now take a minute to go ahead and draw this figure on your paper, and then draw this chart on your paper next to it. Go ahead and pause it while you do that. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to work through this proof one step at a time, and I want you to work a little bit ahead of me, and then when you write your statement and reason, go ahead and unpause the video and see if you got it correct. There are many different ways to do proofs, so you may have a statement or reason that's in a different order than mine, but let's just go ahead and work through this together. Okay, now this, you are trying to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB, and you're supposed to be proving that by using the postulate side, 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 or the postulate side, angle, side. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the given in as the first reason. You always start off with the given. Okay, and that's a no-brainer. The reason is given. Okay, now the next statement, what do you know about squares? By definition of square, all of the sides are congruent. So line AB is congruent to line DC. Okay, and what would be the reason for that? The reason would be that it's definition of square, because that is what the definition states, is that the sides are congruent. Alright, now what would be the next logical thing? Well, we know that the other side is, the other two sides are also congruent. Okay, and what would the reason for that be? Also, definition of square. Oh, hang on, let me put this up. AD is congruent to BC. Okay, definition of square. Okay, now we also know that line segment BD is congruent to line segment BD, which is the reflexive property. Anything is equal to itself. Okay, and now that we have one side here that's congruent to this side, and this side that's congruent to this side, and this side that's congruent to itself, we can say that the triangles are congruent because of side, side, side.